How to fix horizontal lines on an Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. In today's video, I'll show you on how to fix horizontal lines on your Android phone screen. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Hold the power button on your device and then you need to select restart. Now you have to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, check for physical damage. Inspect your screen for cracks or other damage. If the screen is physically damaged, you might need professional repair. The third step you need to do is simply update your software. Launch Settings application. Tap on the search bar and type in update and you will see the list of update including software update. You simply need to tap on software update and launch it. It will take a few time to load, so wait until that. If you see any updates, you can easily download and install the latest version of your software. Outdated software can cause display issues. Next step to follow is simply adjusting the display setting. Go back to setting, scroll down, navigate to display and brightness. And now make sure that you adjust the brightness, resolution or refresh rate. Sometimes incorrect settings can cause horizontal lines. If the issue persists, it might be a hardware problem. Visit an authorized service center for repair. So with this, you will successfully fix the horizontal lines on your Android phone screen. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.